Hello everybody, this is Mark from MABO Science and welcome to this tutorial on setting up a virtual machine in VirtualBox. This tutorial is specifically for those who would like to set up Kali Linux in a VirtualBox environment. So for those who want to do it in VMware, I do have another tutorial also present on my YouTube channel, so please feel free to look at that one. So let's crack on. Now, for those who want to create a new virtual machine in VirtualBox, it's quite simple. Very first, you click on Tools. Once you did that, you click on New, and then you will get presented my Create Virtual Machine window, where you first need to enter a unique name, a location where you would like to store your VirtualBox image, the type, in this case it will be Linux, and the version. Once that's all done, you can change if you want the memory settings. I change from 2 GB to 1 GB, or better said 2024 megabyte. I do not change the virtual hard disks, so I leave that as it is. And then I will push on the button Create. Once that's done, present with a window regarding the creation of a virtual hard disk. Here, the file location is just for information. The file size by default, VirtualBox will propose 8 GB. That's not enough. This needs to be set to 20 GB. Hard disk file type and storage physical disk. Both options, I leave them as they are proposed by default. And then I will push on the Create button. Once that's done, it will present you again with the Start window, and here you select your image and then you're going to click on the Start button. Now here it's actually Startup Disk. This is actually where you will select your ISO file of Kali Linux Lite. Once that's done, you will then be able to click on the Start button, which then will leave you and allows you to install Kali Linux once it's been booted up. Once it's there, you can click on Install and you would be able to start with the basic system installation of Kali Linux. As you can see, in VirtualBox, creating a virtual machine is quite straightforward. I hope for those who never worked with VirtualBox do have something on this. If you like this one, please give the thumbs up. If not, otherwise give the thumbs down. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you in our next tutorial, which is the installation of Kali Linux Lite operating system as such. Thank you very much and hope to see you later. Bye bye.